here we are. Home sweet home.
Ugh. Yeah. What do you have in here?
Oh, come on in, Big Bad. I'll show you around.
We'll let you two get settled in. But we're coming back later. We've got a game of Ogre Town to finish.
We sure do.
So, what do you do for fun around here?
Well, I just got a wonderful new book. The Marvelous Mysteries of Monsieur Egg. It's about a hard-boiled detective who solves mysteries and...
Got any comics?
I don't believe so. Oh, dear, no! I'll just move this Ogre Town game out of the way.
Yeah, cool. I'm kind of hungry. Anything to eat?
Oh, well, I was about to fix dinner if you'd like to join me.
Dinner? Oh, yeah!
Voila! Sweet corn on the cob, roast potatoes, and a salad of fresh greens. Enjoy!
Excuse me? Wow, that was delish! What else you got? Hey, HD! Mind if I borrow this, buddy? You know, I didn't think I was gonna like this. But you know what? It's kind of nice to have a roomie. Isn't it, roomie?
Oh.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.